Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr desktop shortcut for your PC. This is a fantastic way to access Fiverr instantly without opening your browser and typing the URL every single time. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This step is essential because the shortcut will save your logged in state, making it even more convenient to access your dashboard and projects directly. After you've successfully logged in, shift your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you'll notice something interesting. Look carefully at the upper right side of the address bar. You should see a small icon right beside the star icon. This is the Install Fiverr icon, and it's your gateway to creating that desktop shortcut you need. Go ahead and click on the Install Fiverr icon. This action triggers a special feature built into modern browsers that allows you to install web apps directly to your desktop. It's a native feature designed to streamline access to frequently used websites like Fiverr. Once you click that icon, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This pop-up is asking for your permission to install the Fiverr web app on your computer. Simply click Install to proceed. This confirmation step ensures that nothing gets added to your system without your explicit approval, keeping everything secure and under your control. After you click Install, the browser will do the rest of the work for you. The Fiverr shortcut will automatically save directly to your desktop. You don't need to navigate through folders or choose a save location. Everything happens seamlessly in the background, and within moments you'll see the Fiverr icon appear on your desktop. Now, whenever you want to access Fiverr, you can simply double-click that desktop icon and it will launch Fiverr in its own window, giving you a streamlined app-like experience. This makes managing your gigs, communicating with clients, or browsing services much faster and more efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Fiverr desktop shortcut for your PC, making your workflow smoother and saving you valuable time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.